Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Let's ditch the paper and dive into Docusign, your all-in-one solution for electronic signatures. First, head over to Docusign's website and either log in or create a free account. Click that Start Now button to kick things off. Once you're in, click the New button. This is where the magic begins. Then, select Upload to import the document you need signed. It can be a PDF, Word doc, or even a simple image. Now, drag and drop signature, initial, date, and text fields onto your document. Wherever you need information, you can customize the size and placement of each field to fit perfectly. Next, add the email addresses of everyone who needs to sign the document. You can set the signing order so people sign in the correct sequence. Finally, review your document and recipient list one last time. Then hit that Send button. Docusign will automatically email the document to your recipients for their electronic signatures. Once everyone has signed, you'll receive a notification, and the legally binding, digitally signed copy will be stored securely in your Docusign account. That's it. Docusign simplifies your document workflow, saves you time, and keeps everything organized.